if you have a solution which is different than the one shared in this video and you would like to share with others, please share them in the comments box so they can also learn. That's it for this video. Keep learning, keep practicing. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to the Essential SQL Practice series. Today we are going to solve the question, find the owner with the lowest number of albums. So for this we will be using owners albums. As we can see, there is no common field between owners and albums. So let's see what else can be used. So here we can see owner ID is available in tracks and album ID is available in tracks. So we will use a join from owner to tracks to albums. Let's start writing from owners left join tracks owner ID left join albums on album ID. What we need is owner name. We'll change it to owner and we need count of albums. You can use count of a dot title as number of albums. Let's use group by. First let's see the output. So here we can see for each genre we have the number of albums. Then we'll go for order by. We can simply use count of a dot title. Let's see the output again and we can see we have everything in order, and since we want the lowest we don't need to use sort descending, and then simply apply a limit 1. That's it.